Hello, today we are going to discuss the information gain example to design a better decision tree. Here in the given examples, there are four attributes, country of origin, big stars, genre and success. Here we want to predict the possibility of, we want to predict about the possibility of film being a hit or flop on basis of the three attributes, country of origin, big star and genre. In the country of origin, there are three categories: United States, Europe, and rest of the world. And in Big Star, there are two categories: Big Yes and No. That Big Star is present or Big Star is not present. In general category, there are three categories. One is science fiction, second one is comedy, and third one is the romance. So on basis of these, we want to predict the final outcome of predict the final outcome of the movie, whether it will be hit or flop. So we want to evaluate all the different attributes, and for at, comparing the attribute on basis for their classifying criteria, we would use the concept of the entropy. So starting with we start with the initial set, which contains 10 elements, and final outcome is prediction of the movie results as hit or flop. Here, out of 10 elements, there are five true and five false. So initial entropy of the set is equals to 5 by 10 true, 5 by 10 flops. So the initial entropy is equals to, as the formula of the entropy is minus P log P. So is equal to minus 5 by 10 log 5 by 10 and minus 5 by 10 log 5 by 10. So entropy, initial entropy or root entropy is equals to 1. Parent entropy is equals to 1. And let's suppose we take the country of origin as the first splitting attribute. Then after splitting the training data set on the basis of the country of origin, the data can be divided into three segments: the United States, Europe, and rest of the world. In United States segments, there are three true results and one false. So possibility of true is equal to 3 by 4, possibility of false equals to 1 by 4. Similarly, in case of Europe, possibility of true is equals to 2 by 4 and possibility of false equals to 2 by 4. In case of rest of world, the possibility of true is equals to 0 by 2 and possibility of false equals to 2 by 2. So calculating the entropy, we get the result entropy of USA is equals to minus 3 by 4 log 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 log 1 by 4 equals to 0.811. Entropy of Europe equals to minus 2 by 4 log 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4 log 2 by 4 equals to 1. And entropy of rest of world equals to 0 by 2 log 0 by 2 and minus 2 by 2 log 2 by 2. So entropy of rest of world is equals to 0. These are the attribute entropies of the three child which are generated from the roots. So the average calculate the average entropy of the children would be equals to probability cross the individual entropy. So in this case, there are four cases of the individual probability for United States equal to 4 out of 10. Entropy probability of Europe is 4 by 10, and probability of rest of the world is 2 by 10. So the average entropy would be of children equals to 4 by 10 into 0.811, 4 by plus 4 by 10 into 1 plus 2 by 10 into 0. Here the next one is the corresponding entropy. Subtracting this from the parent entropy, we get the final gain equals to 0.276. This uh, yeah, this is the gain when we divide the initial training data set of 10 elements which have 5 true and 5 false in the basis of country of origin. The gain equals to 0.276. Similarly, taking the big star presence as the initial attribute for classification, we get two class, one with the big star and one with without big star. In one with big star, there are seven items, and without big star, there are three items. In first class, there are true and three false. So possibility of probability of true is equal to 4 by 7 and probability of false equals to 3 by 7, and when big star is not present, probability of true is equals to 1 by 3 and probability of false equals to 2 by 3. So calculating the corresponding entropy, so when big star is present, entropy S is equals to here S represent the star is present is equal to 4 by 7 log 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7 log 3 by 7. So entropy when big star is present is equals to 0.985, and entropy when big star is not present equals to minus 1 by 3 log 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 log 2 by 3. So entropy when big star is not present equals to 0.918. So these are the two classes, and there are 7 instances when big star is present. The corresponding probability is equals to 7 by 10, and when big star is not present, there are 3 cases. So probability when big star is not present equals to 3 by 10. So average entropy of the children equals to 7 by 10 into entropy when big star is present, that is 0.985, and probability when big star is not present 3 by 10 into entropy when the big star is not present 9918. Subtracting it from the parent entropy, we get the result as 0.0351. Repeating the same procedure for the third attribute, that is the genre of the movie. There are 3 genres: science fiction, comedy, and romance. So in these 3 classes, we shall repeat the process. In the process, we find out the value, probability of true and false in respective classes, and the corresponding here in class 1 when science fiction, possibility of true is equal to 1 by 3, possibility of false is 2 by 3. In comedy genre, the possibility of true is 4 by 6 and false is 2 by 6. In case of romance category, the probability of true is 0 by 1 and probability of false is 1 by 1. So corresponding entropy would be like this. So entropy of sci-fi is equals to 0.918, entropy of comedy equals to 0.918, entropy of romance equals to 0. And now calculating the average entropy of these three childs equals to the probability of science fiction is 3 by 10, probability of comedy equal to 6 by 10, and probability of romance is 1 by 10. So multiplying the corresponding probability with corresponding entropy, we get 3 by 10 into 0.918 plus 6 by 10 into 0.918 plus 1 by 10 into 0. And subtracting this from the parent entropy, we get the result as 0.1738. By comparing the gain obtained by taking each of these one by one, the information respective information gains is as shown in this diagram. So here we can find it out that the maximum gain that we attain is through the origin of country, that is 0.276. So in this case, the country of origin would be taken as the first attribute for first split. After this, we are left with the 2 attributes that are the genre and the big star presence. Now we shall repeat the procedure for the classes which have not entropy equals to 0. So our attribute becomes attribute over. So here there are 2 possibility for splitting. We shall check out the possibility for each one. And for example, after splitting the attribute in case of United States, we have following data set in which the initial entropy is there are 3 true and 1 false. So initial entropy here is 3 by 4 log 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 log 1 by 4 is equals to 0.811. Here, by taking big star as a second splitting attribute, we get the result as the 3 tuples in it, and all are true. So possibility of true is equal to 3 by 3 and probability of false equal to 0 by 3. And when big star is not present is 0 by 3 and 0 by 1 and 1 by 1. So corresponding entropy is equals to entropy when big star is present is equals to 0, entropy when big star is not present is 0. So subtracting it from the initial entropy, that was 0.811, the minus the children's average entropy, that is 3 by 4 into 0 and 1 by 4 into 0, because the probability of this big star present is 3 out of 4 and is 3 by 4, and probability when big star is not present is 1 out of 4, so 1 by 4. So information gain in this case is 0.811. If we take the second, the genre as the second splitting attribute, then in this case, in science fiction, we have only just one value, that is truth. The possibility of true is equals to 1 by 1 and false is 0 by 1. In case of comedy, two values are true, so possibility of true is equal to 2 by 3 and false is equals to 1 by 3. So a corresponding entropy of sci-fi is equal to 0 and entropy of comedy is equals to 0.918, using the same formulation minus p log pi, sigma of minus p log pi. So here the average entropy is equals to, there is one science fiction, the probability is 1 by 4 and probability of comedy is 3 by 4. So multiplying the corresponding probability with the corresponding entropy, that is 1 by 4 into 0 and 3 by 4 into 0.918, and subtracting it from the initial entropy, we get the information gain is equal to 0.1225. Here we can check out that the gain obtained from the selecting star presence at the splitting attribute is higher than the information gain considering genre as the splitting attribute. So we shall choose the gain star presence at the second splitting attribute. In this way, we shall divide it further. This process is repeated until we get the group with the zero entropy, or the all the attribute have been used for a splitting. So that's all about the information.